Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create duotone effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, right? So first of all, we are going to add an image in it as a background. So for that, we have clicked on elements in the left side toolbar, and here we will simply search for a man image. Okay, so I have searched for man, and now I'm going to the photos, and here in the photos we can simply select whatever the man photo we want, right? For example, I want this one, so I have selected this one. Now I'm going to remove the background, right? Okay, and here I can change the color as well, so let's make it the gradient color, and now we are just going to increase or decrease the size so that the image setups correctly, right? You can also then click on edit, and here in the edit you need to scroll down, right? And here there are lots of filters available. Let's check it all. So see all, and here there is mono, color pop, duotone. Okay, so we are into the duotone, and here we can simply select whatever the duotone we want. For example, we can select this one, right? And now the highlights can be of this color, and shadows can be of this color, right? So whatever the duotone you want, you can simply select that. Let's make it the pop, and we can also change the background color as well. Like if you want it to be white, you can make it white, or you can again make the same color, or this one. You can change the intensity of duotone if it is too much, right? You can simply change its intensity as well, right? So in this way you can simply create a duotone effect, and here we can also introduce a heading and can change the color to white, and display, let's increase the size, and then shift the text somehow rightward on the top, right? Now we are going to effects, and here we can also use the glitch effect. We can increase and decrease the offset. So this is how you can simply use the duotone effect in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.